I was sent the Pheromone Infused perfume for men, and I had my husband wear this the other day, and have to say, it is a very good smell on men, especially on my husband. Now, he wasn't wearing it to attract other women, but there is some people who say pheromones do help with that. This one just has such a beautiful masculine smell to it. So I'll put some on myself so I can kind of tell you a little bit about it. But it has bergamot and ginger. And then it also has violet leaf and peppercorn. So a little bit of spiciness in there. And then tonka bean and cedarwood. So it just kind of rounds out this super nice smell. Very complex. And when it's on your man, it smells incredible, and it's really long lasting. It lasted on him all day. I could still smell it. So I love the long lasting power. I love that rollerball style. He really enjoyed it. He's not a guy that wears a ton of cologne or any sort of perfume, but he liked the smell, and of course he liked how much I liked it on him. So if you're looking for a good scent for your man, he'll probably really like this one. Or if you're a guy looking for a pheromone perfume that you want to try, I think you'll like this one.